Outplay here. Today we are teaching you part 6 of scripting. So first of all, we're going to teach you how to make a robbery system. So you know we made the jump scare system, now we're going to make a robbery system. Let's delete that script here. Let's just delete everything in the started UI because we don't need anything. Let's create a new animation editor. Inside animation clip, let's just call it robbed, because we're making an animation about robbing animation. Wait, we gotta make all the parts of it white. Yeah, white. Gotta make them white. Gotta make them like this, and then gonna make it like this. Then like kind of like this. Yeah, you're just gonna need to copy me. This here, and then gonna move the character a little bit, and then like a little bit like this. Let's just see if it's working. Yep. Control C, put it right here, Control V. Then let's put a little bit forward, like again like this, and then let's just make the character in a normal pose. Just put the legs a little bit away from each other, like this. Then gonna make this like this, and then make it wait for a bit. You know what? Let us make it 100 times bigger. Control V. Just make it a little bit like this. Yeah, okay, Control C, Control V, and then we're just gonna make it, so let's put it like this, like a punching animation. And then no, we don't want to make it like this. Okay, now let's just delete this part. Control C, Control V. Then we're just gonna make his hand a little bit like this. No, we don't want it to make it like this, dude. Listen, what happens if we delete this part? Dude. Okay, so I kind of like make it so that the character actually moves a little bit downward. So let's check it out. Okay, I don't know the problem to this. Okay, so I actually changed the animation a bit. I actually made it like this. What is this? Yeah. And then publish it to Roblox. I'm just gonna publish it. Just call it Rob, then just get L. Even though he is being robbed. I mean, even though the player is robbing, it just... Okay, so I made the animation. Let's change it to this. So now the animation is like this now. So I'm just gonna change it a little bit. We're actually gonna like... Wait a second. Just gonna put it right here. Proximity prompt. You're gonna insert a proximity prompt. And then person. Then you're gonna type in map. So then variables. Script dot parent equals find first child. Proximity promise dot dot equals connect function. Yeah, dude. My god, why is it like being like that? So I'm gonna make it a little bit extended from me. Okay, so after I done that, just gonna make it equals gear dot character dot humanoid. So it's gonna think it's gonna know that I'm talking about a humanoid. So now I'm gonna make it like this. Just gonna make it like this. Yeah. Just gonna make it like this. So I think my system might work. Okay, so I load it in, and then okay, here's why is it still named monster? Okay, person Rob. The animation didn't actually play, but I did actually stop. Oh, yay! So the animation plays. So you don't already know what to do. You can just change the position of the play animation to a little bit upwards before the wait. You can just do this. So yeah, that's it for the tutorial. If you enjoyed this, if this helped you, hit that like button or even subscribe or hit that bell